What's up? Today I'm going to upgrade the RAM on my brand new HP Victus. I bought a 32GB kit running at 5600 MHz. First, grab a Phillips screwdriver. We'll need to remove 7 screws in total. Once the screws are out, we have to remove the back panel without damaging it. At first, I tried it with my hands, but obviously that didn't work. So I borrowed a tool from my brother. The plastic prying tools didn't help much either. But the metal prying knife worked wonders. Carefully work your way through the small gap, and then gently lift off the back plate. Next, open the little plastic locking mechanism. My laptop originally came with 16GB of RAM. Nah! Press the clips on the sides and the RAM stick will pop out. Now carefully insert the new RAM sticks. On some models there are 2 NVMe slots, but mine unfortunately only has 1. The battery, however, can be replaced quite easily, unlike on other models where you have to remove the entire motherboard. Now, put the back plate back on. Make sure there are no gaps left. Unfortunately, I didn't manage it completely without damage, but the scratch is barely visible.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Screw all 7 screws back in place. Finally, let's turn the laptop on to check if everything worked. Don't worry if it takes a little longer than usual to boot. And as we can see, success. We now have 32GB of RAM running at 5600 MHz. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.